Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a drugstore makeup haul. Because there are very few items, I'm going to include swatches and a couple looks. So let's just jump right in. First up, I had thought to myself, I haven't had a new blush and I don't know how long. And I saw this Physicians formula and it's their butter formula, and this is a matte one and it's a multicolored blush. This is Mauve Mattes. Blushes are kind of pricey, but the quality is really nice and they smell awesome. Look at the cute packaging. I think these are anywhere from $8 to $10. This smells so good. This is such a pretty blush. I've already worn this, so I'm going to insert a picture now. This does open up to a mirror and a brush, and you can mix them all together or single out the shades. Really pretty. And before I get to the eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to knock the nail polishes out of the way. First one is from Essie, and this shade is For the Twill of It. And as you can tell, it's a multi-dimensional, multi-chrome kind of nail polish. This is a very nice formula. It's opaque in 2 coats, and it's like the layer you see in a shell or an oyster that's all shiny and pearlescent. It's kind of like that. So if you want that look on your nails, you're definitely going to love this. Lots of polishes do those, and I have some in my collection, but none of them are as opaque as that one. And it shifts from a gray, purple to a greenish blue. It's really beautiful. I really like these Sally Hansen gel polishes. I only have a couple of them because, once again, they're kind of pricey, just like the Essie polishes. But I did pick up 2. This is a Fashionista. It's like Fashionista, but Fashionista. And this is a blue, which shifts, well, it has a really pretty glitter, like a blue glitter in there. It's iridescent. It shifts blue and pink in there as well. Or it shifts pink and purple as well. It has a nice glitter. And the camera is not doing this one justice. This is stunning. I'm a sucker for multi-dimensional polishes. And I've been eyeing this one for a while and I just went ahead and picked it up. I really love purple nail polish, and I'm surprised I hadn't got this sooner. But Metro Midnight. And it's a beautiful purple holographic nail polish. Anytime you can find holographic nail polish at the drugstore, it's usually worth whatever you're going to pay, because holographic polishes are not cheap, and Sally Hansen's pretty awesome, so I can't wait to use that purple one on my nails. Okay, and last but certainly not least, I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. These are both new to the drugstore. I've seen this in the store recently, and this is the WetnWild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. I picked this up for $15 at Walmart, and I wasn't going to get it at like, I had passed this up before, and I thought maybe some of you own this, maybe some of you are interested in seeing some reviews and swatches on this. So I do have a review coming soon, as well as I've already filmed about 10 different looks using this palette. I've been working on this for a while. It's a really pretty palette. It's a mix of really nice shimmer shades and matte shades, and some of them have this really cute heart stamping in them, and overall just really beautiful. So I picked it up in hopes that some of you were maybe curious and probably already own this. And I totally think it was worth $15 after using it for a while now. And last and final item, I was just browsing like always and saw that HardCandy had some new palettes. And this is the HardCandy Marquee Presents Greek Tragedy. And this is a 15 multi-dimensional shades matte satin shimmer and glitter palette. And there was 2 other palettes to choose from. This one just really stood out to me. I will say firsthand, I do have some swatches, and these are super pigmented, super nice. The mattes are so nice and creamy. The glitters, although they do not appear so on camera, they are kind of multi-dimensional. Like for example, the brown kind of shifts a little bit green. A really cool effect. And just based on first impressions, I'm not thrilled that these shades are so much alike in the top row here, these three. But overall, this was $10, and I think it's a beautiful, absolutely stunning color story for summer and transitioning into fall. So I wanted to pick this up and do several looks hopefully with this, because I know some of you are going to be really interested in this. And I want to say that they had a purple one and a more neutral. The quality on this so far, just from swatching, is amazing, and I'm most likely going to run back to Walmart and pick up at least the purple one. Stay tuned for more makeup hauls and makeup content. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the haul.